Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CR-V door lock actuator. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a few screwdrivers, specifically Phillips head sizes 2 and 3, and a flat blade. A 10mm socket with a ratchet is crucial, as is a trim removal tool to protect your interior. Don't forget needle nose pliers, a pick tool, and some gloves for safety. Having these items ready will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Now let's get to removing the door panel. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece near the mirror and any covers on the door handle and pull. Next, remove all Phillips head screws you find in these areas. With the screws out, use your trim tool to gently pop the door panel clips free around the perimeter. Once loose, lift the entire panel upwards and away. Finally, disconnect the electrical connectors for the window switch and the door handle cables. With the door panel off, gently peel back the vapor barrier to expose the inner workings. Now, focus on the old actuator. Carefully disconnect the rods from the lock mechanism by releasing their clips. You'll then need to remove the 3 mounting screws, which often require a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. Once free, carefully maneuver the old actuator out. Install your new actuator, ensuring all rods are correctly attached and clips are securely in place. Before finishing up, reconnect all electrical connectors to your new actuator. It's important to test the lock and unlock functions several times to ensure everything works perfectly. Once confirmed, reattach the vapor barrier. Then, reconnect the door handle cables and rods. Finally, align the door panel, push all the clips back into their slots, and reinstall all the screws and trim pieces in reverse order. You've successfully replaced your door lock actuator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.